The number one reason that startups fail is because they build a product that no one wanted in the first place. So the default thing for an entrepreneur when they have an idea is they think about product. But unfortunately, the default thing for startups is to fail. So you actually want to avoid the thing that comes naturally to you if you have an idea and the thing that most entrepreneurs do. So if you do have an idea, what's the right thing to do? Well, you need to think about research, customer discovery, validation. You really need to understand that an idea is really just a hypothesis, and you need to try and act like a scientist, not an entrepreneur, and think of all the assumptions that you've got and try and stress test and really just try and put the ego aside and try and break your idea in as many ways as possible before you get too deep into pursuing it. Because validating an idea overall usually costs 1/10 the amount of building the product and bringing that idea to life. So if you're funding this out of your own pocket or you're taking investor money, you don't want to be spending 10 times the money on building a product that maybe no one wants before you've actually validated it properly. So if you've got an idea, don't rush to product. Think about, how do I stress test, prove the idea is actually valuable. Once you've done that, again, don't rush into building the product. You want to think then about, how can I get enough money to create an awesome product? So you need to get investment. And to get investment, you need to focus on your story. So bringing that idea to life through design, brand, really shiny, sexy stuff, a pitch deck, and take all of the validation you've got, turn it into a story and raise enough money to build a great product. So from idea to starting to build a product, even when you work with Pitch Black, we think it's really fast if it's 6 to 9 months. So it's slower than you would think. And if you do it wrong, it can take a lot longer than that. So slow down, stress test the idea. Product development can come later once you've proven it up and you've got the money to do it properly.